Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for expert tech reviews and recommendations. Movie camera helicopter. Today, we're showcasing the top 5 professional camera drones for videographers in 2025, designed to help you master the skies and capture cinematic brilliance. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or leveling up your content game, these drones deliver unmatched performance. Let's take off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips to elevate your videography. Number 5. DJI Mini3 Pro. The DJI Mini3 Pro is a compact, lightweight drone that redefines portability with professional-grade performance. Weighing under 249 g, it's perfect for travelers and creators seeking a powerful yet portable aerial photography tool. The drone features a 4K HDR camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor and dual native ISO, capturing vibrant images and videos even in low light. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, stabilized footage, while the innovative design allows for true vertical shooting, ideal for social media content. Number 4. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a powerful and versatile drone designed for creators who demand professional-grade performance in a portable package. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 20MP stills and up to 5.4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering exceptional image quality and dynamic range. Its intelligent HDR technology ensures vibrant colors and details. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the Air 2S offers a flight time of up to 31 minutes and features DJI's O3 transmission system, providing a stable and clear video feed over distances of up to 12 kilometers. Advanced safety features include 4-way obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0 for seamless navigation around obstacles. Intelligent flight modes like Master Shots, Focus Track, and Hyperlapse make capturing cinematic shots effortless. Compact and feature-rich, the DJI Air 2S is the ultimate drone for photographers, videographers, and adventurers seeking to elevate their creative possibilities. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a flagship drone that sets the benchmark for professional aerial photography and videography. Featuring a dual camera system, it includes a 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad camera for capturing breathtaking 20MP stills and 5.1K video, alongside a 162mm telephoto lens for dynamic compositions and detailed long-range shots. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS, ensures vibrant, true-to-life colors in every capture, while the adjustable aperture provides greater creative control. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a compact, lightweight drone perfect for beginners and casual creators looking to capture stunning aerial moments. Weighing under 249 g, it's travel-friendly and compliant with regulations in many regions. The Mini 2 features a 12MP camera capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering sharp and vibrant footage. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable shots, even in windy conditions. Number 1. DJI Avida. The DJI Avida is a compact and durable FPV, first-person view, drone designed for immersive and thrilling aerial experiences. Built with a rugged frame and propeller guards, it's perfect for flying in tight spaces or adventurous environments. The Avida features a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K videos at 60 frames per second and 48MP photos, ensuring high-quality visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Movie camera helicopter. Which professional drone is your top pick for cinematic shots? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews and tips. See you in the next video.